In this video, I'll guide you through how to merge GitHub accounts. Whether you've ended up with multiple accounts over time or have inherited an extra account from a project, consolidating them can streamline your workflow and bring everything under one roof. Let's dive in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to transfer any repositories from your secondary GitHub account to your primary one. To do this, log into your secondary GitHub account. Once you're in, head over to the repository you wish to transfer. You'll find the Settings option in the main menu of your repository. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a new page with various options. Scroll down until you see the Danger Zone section. This area is called the Danger Zone because it contains powerful actions that can significantly affect your repository. Look for the option labeled Transfer Ownership. By clicking on Transfer Ownership, you'll be prompted to enter the new owner's username, which in this case is your primary account's username. After entering the username, you may need to confirm your intention to transfer by typing the name of the repository. This step ensures that you're absolutely certain about the transfer. Once confirmed, the repository will be moved to your primary GitHub account. Repeat this process for each repository you want to transfer from your secondary account. Now that your projects are in the right place, let's merge your contribution history. This is important because it keeps your contributions visible under a single profile, maintaining a comprehensive record of your work. Begin by logging into your primary GitHub account. From there, navigate to Settings, which is located in the drop-down menu under your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in the Settings menu, find and click on Emails. This section allows you to manage the email addresses associated with your GitHub account. To merge your contribution history, you'll need to add the email address from your old or secondary account. Click on Add Email Address and enter the email associated with your secondary GitHub account. After adding it, GitHub will send a verification email to that address. Make sure to check your inbox and click on the verification link to confirm the addition. By doing this, GitHub will recognize contributions made with that email address as being part of your primary account's history. And there you have it. You've successfully merged your GitHub accounts. By transferring your repositories and merging your email addresses, you've combined your projects and contribution history into a single, cohesive account. This consolidation not only simplifies your GitHub management, but also makes it easier to showcase your work to potential employers or collaborators. Remember, maintaining a single account helps streamline your workflow and enhances your professional presence on the platform. If you run into any issues or have questions along the way, GitHub's support documentation is a valuable resource. They offer detailed guidance and troubleshooting tips on a wide range of topics. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.